Welcome, dear viewer, to a sacred moment of reflection and transformation. Today, we will dive into the tranquil waters of meditation to release anxiety and unlock abundance in our lives. Find a serene place, take these next few minutes for yourself, and embark on this journey to wealth and prosperity. Before we get started, we count on your collaboration through the Apoya Say platform. The link to more information can be found in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Ready to get started? Start by closing your eyes gently. Feel the weight of your body, anchoring it in the present. Inhale deeply, absorbing the light that nourishes your soul, and exhale, releasing any tension that no longer serves. Every breath is an invitation to tranquility. Imagine yourself in a lush garden, where flowers bloom in vibrant colors. Each petal is limitless potential waiting to manifest in your life. See yourself walking through this garden, feeling the energy of abundance all around you. Feel the gentle touch of nature, recognizing that prosperity is your birthright. As you walk through the garden, visualize anxiety as dry leaves. With each step, watch these leaves being gently carried by the wind, making your being lighter. Feel the freedom that comes from letting go of the worries of the past and the future, anchoring yourself in the present. Tell yourself, I am worthy to receive abundance in all areas of my life. With each breath, I open myself to the limitless prosperity that flows toward me. I deserve all the good the universe has to offer. Now visualize a circle of golden light around you, radiating a protective energy. This is your sacred space, free of anxieties and full of possibilities. Feel this light penetrate every cell of your being, dissolving blockages and allowing abundance to flow naturally. As this meditation comes to an end, open your eyes slowly. Feel the tranquility that remains within you. Remember, anxiety is just a passing cloud, and abundance is the sun constantly shining down on you. If you enjoyed this experience, dear viewer, continue your journey of prosperity by subscribing to the Wealth and Prosperity channel. Together, we will explore avenues to manifest abundance in all aspects of life. Peace and prosperity.